Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram linked accounts. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top, click your username and you will see all of your linked accounts. To delete an account, click on the profile that you want to delete or log out of. Then on the profile, click on the menu and then Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Log Out at the bottom and just feel free to choose whether to save login info for each account by toggling the switch across your account names. Once you're done, tap Log Out to remove the selected accounts. And that's how you can delete Instagram linked accounts. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!